Introduction. Why use apps for debt payoff?
Managing debt can feel overwhelming, but financial planning apps make creating a payoff plan simpler and more effective. With the right tools, you can organize debts, set realistic goals, and track progress, all in one place. Let's explore how to use these apps to build a personalized, step-by-step debt repayment plan.
Gather your debt information.
Start by listing all your debts inside the app: credit cards, loans, or lines of credit. Input the balances, interest rates, and minimum payments for each account. Most financial planning apps give you clear categories for this information, allowing you to view your complete financial picture at a glance.
Choose a repayment strategy.
The apps often let you pick between popular methods, like the debt snowball or debt avalanche. The snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest balance first, while the avalanche targets the highest interest rate. Select the plan that keeps you motivated and works best for your budget. The app will help calculate optimal payments.
Set up a realistic budget.
Link your bank accounts for real-time tracking, then create a budget that prioritizes debt payments. Allocate funds to monthly bills, essentials, and your chosen debt strategy. Many apps offer custom categories and alerts to help you stay on track and avoid overspending, making your plan more manageable.
Track progress and adjust as needed.
Monitor your payoff progress right in the app dashboard. Visual charts, payment histories, and reminders celebrate each milestone you reach. If your circumstances change, you can revisit your strategy, update debt details, or refine your budget for continued success. Consistency is key. Let your app guide and motivate you.
Stay motivated and celebrate success.
Paying off debt is a journey. Use built-in app features to stay inspired. Many financial planning apps offer goal-setting tools, achievement badges, and community forums. Celebrate each debt you clear, share your wins, and remember, using your app regularly makes a big difference in reaching financial freedom.